In today's video, we're exploring 3 of the best database apps for Android. Whether you're looking to manage personal information, handle SQL databases, or access electronics data, these apps cater to a variety of needs. Let's jump right in and discover how each one can help you organize your data efficiently. Memento Database. Memento Database is a versatile database management app that allows users to create and manage custom databases quickly. It comes with a user-friendly interface and supports various data types, from text and numbers to images and files. Users can design their databases with ease, utilizing templates or creating their own structures to fit unique needs. Memento also includes powerful sorting, filtering, and searching features, making retrieving information simple and efficient. Additionally, the app supports cloud synchronization, enabling users to access their databases across multiple devices. Whether for personal use or professional projects, Memento Database offers a robust solution for data management. SQL Database Manager. SQL Database Manager DB is a powerful app designed for users who need to manage SQL databases on their Android devices. It supports a variety of SQL databases, including MySQL, MariaDB, and SQLite, allowing users to create, modify, and execute SQL queries directly from their phones or tablets. The app provides a comprehensive interface for viewing tables, running complex queries, and managing database schemas. For developers and database administrators on the go, SQL Database Manager DB is a handy tool that simplifies database management tasks, making it easy to handle data anytime, anywhere. Electronics Database. Electronics Database is a specialized app designed for electronics enthusiasts and professionals. It provides a comprehensive repository of electronic components, including information on resistors, capacitors, transistors, and more. Users can search for components, view specifications, and even create their custom parts list. The app also features calculators for various electronics-related calculations, such as Ohm's law and resistor color codes. Electronics Database is a valuable resource for hobbyists and engineers alike, making it easier to access and organize crucial information for electronics projects. Thanks for watching our video on the best database apps for Android. We hope these tools help you streamline your data management and find exactly what you need. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time.